Thank you again for supporting Envision and their summer program. These are our drum majors that joined us for the second half of the day. So they learned all the leadership portion of the day and leadership lessons. The drum majors learn how to score study and take their scores and condense the score to make their own drum major score, so that it's not 10 pages, it's just one cue card, and they can use that for band or rehearsals. They learn how to define your job descriptions, conducting fundamentals, baton mace fundamentals, and problem solving. About to introduce our drum majors. This is Avery from Truckee High School. Michael from Reed. Irene from Berkeley. Megan from Truckee High School. Matthew from Fernley. And Naomi from Fernley High School. We are going to begin with our mace and baton routine, and it goes straight to the conducting routine. And what they did was they took the fundamentals of the beginning and self-advance, and then the conducting, I would say they were pretty much more intermediate and advanced, and I evaluated them, and they're wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, our Envision 2016 drum majors.
All right, thank you very much. Again, Mario Sebastian as the instructor for the drum major and leadership units this year. I did neglect to mention with respect to Envision, they will be performing in 2 weeks at the at the Compression and Live Fire event at our town, at the downtown City Plaza, about dusk. They get to perform together in the routine that you saw, but with fire. So imagine drums and fire all together in the City Plaza, and you've got a fun evening. So that's 2 weeks from tonight on the 30th, downtown Reno. Next up, we'd like to bring the color guard back. We're looking for Kim and Jasmine for their performance with the color guard for this year.